Good morning from Hyderabad. Arey shit, I forgot to bring my air seat. Every time I'm forgetting it. Time right now is 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. एक छोटा सा राइड, लोकल राइड है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ ब्रेकफास्ट राइड. बहुत दिनों के बाद उठा हूँ इतना जल्दी. अभी तो ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक यार है यार, इतना सुबह सुबह भी ट्रैफिक रहता है. शिट. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ पोचाराम डैम. दैट इज़ वन ऑफ दी लाइक good places around Hyderabad where we can visit. I've taken left from Miapur and heading towards Gandimaisama. The weather is cold, but I think it might rain today. I even didn't bring my rain jacket. One thing I hate about this route is it's very dusty. There will be a lot of trucks. You can see this. Baap re, my god. Oof. It is dangerous for two-wheelers. Arre baap re baap. Oof. So with me, two other people are coming. The meeting point was actually in Miapur. Yep, I can see one bike. कार्डो ले लिया आप? Edge? अभी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, आगे जाके कनेक्ट करेंगे. चलो. नाउ वी आर ऑन मेदक हाईवे एंड द वेदर इज जस्ट ऑसम. इट्स कंप्लीटली क्लाउडी. नाउ वी आर इन नरसापुर फॉरेस्ट. इट विल बी सो मच ग्रीनरी हियर एंड द रोड लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. इट्स मक्खन, बटर स्मूथ. इट्स अ 2-lane road, but it will be amazing. See, these kinds of cornering you can do, but have to be very careful because we got monkeys. You will see monkeys throughout the road on the left and the right side. Have to be very careful. See, so many monkeys. We stopped here for breakfast after Narsapur forest, and here we have a new Royal Enfield new Hunter 350. It looks good, the quality is good, but राइड करके नहीं देखा. लेट्स गो. अभी पेट भर के है. The dam is full. जा सकते? Yes, we can easily go. It's awesome. Wow, last time it was not like this. Amazing. Wow. Let's see what is here. There's some kind of building. Last time when we came it was not this much. पूरा भर गया है, completely full.
1 hour later.
Now we are leaving, catching fishes. Wow. Ooh. It's afternoon and the humidity level has increased. We are totally drowned in sweat. Need water and a break. Time right now is 10:30. The place is just peaceful. If you want to come to Pocharam Dam, then it should be before 8 o'clock. Then you will enjoy a lot. Now there are a lot of people who have come, and it's not at all fun.